What's going on? It's Nick with Blogging with Funnels, and I have something awesome that I want to share with you today. I have a free training, free affiliate training, and a free affiliate funnel that I want to give you absolutely free of charge. Now, this is free if you use ClickFunnels. It's also free if you try ClickFunnels for 14 days. You could probably make your money to invest in ClickFunnels within those 14 days for that trial. ClickFunnels happens to be what this training is all about, how you can earn $3,880 or more every single month in affiliate commissions. Now, this is recurring passive income or more. Like you'll learn in the training, I'll show you in a second, how and that's just getting 100 people under your link to try ClickFunnels, which has over 50,000 active members, and it's a very early stage company. They've only been in business for about 3 years. They have an awesome community. Not only that, this product is amazing. I make about $8,000 a month, not including affiliate commissions, using ClickFunnels in my online business. I sell digital products from my blog, from YouTube. I make sales pages, landing pages. Every day I have about 50 to 75 email leads coming into my funnel, and I sell 10 to 25 products every single day. It helps me make $7,000 to $9,000 every single month so far this year. That's what I've been averaging. Planning on doing over 6 figures next year after learning everything I need to know. But this video is more about how to become an affiliate for ClickFunnels, and I want to give you this exact funnel. So if you click the link below this video, it's going to be a link to download this affiliate training funnel. And it's just literally 2 pages. This is the funnel you're going to get, and then you'll hop inside of ClickFunnels, which looks like this, and you can edit any of the text. And then, of course, you need to add in your own email integrations. So when somebody clicks this, it's going to have a pop-up to get their email address. So you can continue to email them about anything online marketing, anything ClickFunnels related. You'll see inside the ClickFunnels dashboard, they have tons of products. Some products give you over $1,000 of commissions. And this is where it gets really interesting, because not only do you have that recurring commission, once people click your link to get to ClickFunnels, what happens is a sticky cookie gets placed on them, and say they buy like their $4,000 coaching program, you get 40% of that, almost $2,000 just for promoting this ClickFunnels. It's awesome. The other day I was having a slow sales day from my online business, and boom, I get a $400 sale from ClickFunnels. It's an awesome feeling, and it's the only affiliate program I've ever joined, aside from like just playing around in ClickBank a little bit. But this is amazing. So once you get inside here, you can edit any of the text you want, integrate right here, integrations, put your whatever email service you're using. The general, you can send people to whatever link. I have this set up so people are sent to this link, which this is a second page for your free affiliate training funnel. And everything's set here already. What you'll need to do is change some links here. Let me show you real quick. I mean, you can leave my ClickFunnels link in there if you want, but I don't need to save anything here. So this is the second page you're going to see, and this is going to be exactly what you're going to see inside of your ClickFunnels account. So you'll come here, and this is very little learning curve here. I mean, this is like a baby could do this. Here, you can put a different video here. This is actually the video I recommend leaving for this one, because it is straight from ClickFunnels. A couple of these are my videos, but right here you'll change this link to your affiliate link, which you'll find inside of the ClickFunnels dashboard. You can leave this, what is this? This is the link to the funnel, this funnel that I'm giving you right here. So what you can do is, I've shared this with you. Inside of ClickFunnels, you'll have a link to share this funnel that I'm giving you with other people, and it's just like you'll repeat the process. Here's a video, and this is just helping you to edit this page right here with your own video, with your own links and content. Nothing too complicated. Here's the email sequence that you can download that I have in here for you. Let's see. This is talking about how to get traffic to this funnel, aside from organic YouTube traffic like I'm doing now, or blogging and that type of stuff. And that's all it is just 2 pages. And so far I've had a few trials from using this. I've only been using it for about a week, but I want to give it to you. This is the second page, first page, second page. So just click the link below this video. How about I show you inside the ClickFunnels affiliate dashboard here, so you can see what you'll see and how to get your links. All right. There's that $400 sale I was telling you about. So you'll go here and you'll get your links for. Once you get to 100 cars, you get $500 a month. 200 cars, $1,000 a month on top of your incurring commissions. So right now I have 10 people signed up under my link. I've been promoting it for about 4 months, so I'm pretty happy with that. So you'll get your links here to change inside of your own funnel. And it's pretty simple, and they have just tons of stuff and other products that you can use. It's literally the best affiliate program. They make it a no-brainer to join. And not only that, but you'll be able to use ClickFunnels in your own business to start making money. So click the link below this video to download this free funnel. You get this landing page and this training page, and you can start sharing that link with other people and giving them this training. Use your own videos if you want. You can use the videos in there. That's no problem either. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions about how to promote ClickFunnels or how to create digital products inside of ClickFunnels, which is really where I've become an expert at, just comment anywhere. Shoot me an email, nick@bloggingwithfunnels.com. Hope you enjoyed this video. Enjoy and start sharing that affiliate link, because that sticky cookie will work wonders for you. Talk to you later.